I want to answer this Quora question directly. And so I thought I'd stop rather than type the answer and do a video and answer it by showing you. The question is, how do I chat in Google Hangouts? Well, it used to be you could get to Google Hangouts from Google+, but you can't get to either one of them. I'm in my Google business page, so I'm going to look over here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go to Google+, and that is plus.google.com. There it is right there. Google Plus is gone. It became Google Currents for Workspace, but then, this was on April 12, 2023, we announced plans to wind down Currents, which again used to be Google Plus. So it's gone. So let's go to Google Hangouts. So Google Hangouts. Can I go there? Oh, look, hangouts.google.com. Clicked on it. It goes to Google Chat. There is no such thing as Google Hangouts anymore. It is Google Chat. And so this is how you get to, and look, it wants me to install a desktop app. Let's go with not now. This is Google Chat, which has replaced Google Hangouts. So the question, how do I chat in Google Hangouts? The question really is, how do I chat in Google Chats? It's really pretty easy. You start a new chat, and then you can look for people. These are some of the people I've chatted with. You can look for people. You can type in their email address if they have a Google email address, and you can start a chat with someone again by finding them on your through their Google email address. Start a chat. That's what I just hid. Right, same thing with that plus right there. I can type in an email address, burrisconsulting@gmail.com, and I can start a chat. And there's my previous chat, which I've had with this Gmail user. This is as simple as it gets. You can put the chat app on your phone, put the chat app on your desktop, wherever you want to put the chat at. Hit the plus right there, and you can start, or hit the start a chat right there, and you can start a chat. Almost the same as starting a text message. I'm Teddy. Hope this is helpful.